our third day ng Skin Magical Challenge ni Mima para, okay, as you can see, talaga naman, epektibo. Ayan. Pumuputi po talaga. Say mo, it is very effective. And now, I feel the tightening again. Okay, maaga-maaga ako naligo para po sa mga kaganapan ngayong araw na ito. Calling the attention of our Honorable Barangay Captain Joel sa... Okay. Cap Joel, I need your help. Kailangan ko po ng barangay ID natin because I'm going to make lipat-lipat na sa condo ng Breeze Residences SMDC. Kaya naman,